Welcome back. It's the DMV Weave Doctor, and we're doing another hair replacement install. And oh my goodness, baby, look at this beautiful Brazilian tip unit. Okay, all right. So this is we're just adding on this mini, or this actually is not a mini. This is like a larger prosthetic. This is a custom size for our individual client, and now we are sewing everything down because just because you have alopecia, it does not mean that everybody wants to be subject to wearing an actual wig. Not everyone likes wigs. We have different options. We have sew-ins available, also hair extensions, and an array of other different type of styles. And we're probably going to start doing micro links, but we haven't just seen. We haven't heard a lot of people who are interested in that have alopecia at this current time. All right. So now, as you can see, and girl, look at that scalp, okay? And this because the weave doctor, she put her little magic on here. All right, warm it up, okay? But, and this is a versatile type of mini partial unit. She's going to be able to go from side to side. And as you can see, she's going to be able to part it effortlessly, whatever side that she goes to, so that she can have the most natural results. And we're just showing you this side as well. Child. Okay, child, what lace? Okay. And that's some of the different options that are available, if you decide to purchase a hair replacement unit or to get hair replacement installed by the weave doctor. You're going to be able to have this type of versatility. A lot of people are tired of seeing all of their tracks. So we try to offer our install so it does not have that. Also, we try to offer a flat installs. And the hair replacement install is good for someone, I would say, that, again, that does not like to have wigs of any type on their scalp. Some people feel like they like the taunt type feeling. Now, I will tell you, though, if you have severe alopecia, that may or may not be the best for your overall health of your actual hair and integrity of your hair. Because what happens, the more that you, braid these hairs, add additional hair onto an unsupported scalp. Oh, girl, look at that, girl, look at that scalp. Okay. Child, the more that you add excessive weight to your hair strands, it's going to make it where you could possibly suffer from more alopecia down the line. That's why a lot of people, when they come to me, they've been coming to other stylists who are not hair loss specialists. And, with the weaves, it's very tricky. If you don't do it properly, it can actually cause you to lose more and more and more hair. I've seen some clients, even to the point where they can't even get their hair braided because the individual just don't know what they're doing, okay? All right, so now we are just curling this hair, and we pre-colored this hair, so you can get this hair pretty much colored in any natural hair color that you want. And these are some of the final results. She wants something very basic. She's not into all that baby hair. As you see, we did not do all the baby hair edges on her. And this is just a recap of some of the scalp. If you're located in the Bowie, Maryland, D.C. metro area, we are able to service you. We also offer pay later options available. Book now.